Hello guys, today I will be comparing three popular home server platforms, Zimaos, Hexos, and Casaos, which is the best home server in 2025. Let's break it down. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss the final verdict. Let's begin with Zimaos. Zimaos is designed for simplicity. It's clean, beginner-friendly, and great for users who want to manage personal storage or run lightweight apps with zero hassle. If you prefer plug-and-play functionality with minimal configuration, Zimaos has you covered. Next, Hexos. Hexos brings more power and flexibility. It caters to users who want detailed control from automation to system customization. It's best suited for tech-savvy individuals or anyone who wants a home server that can scale with advanced tasks. Now Casaos. Casaos is all about balance. It combines a user-friendly interface with solid functionality. Whether you're setting up media servers, managing backups, or experimenting with container apps, Casaos offers great versatility, even for beginners. So which one is best in 2025? Choose Zimaos for ease of use, Hexos if you need control and customization, and Casaos if you want a middle ground that's both user-friendly and capable.